Hello, everybody. It's Susan Brock, Miss Susan, and I'm sitting here in front of my fireplace. Here, let me move. Which way should I move? So you can see it. Um, it was a little chilly outside this morning, so I turned on my fireplace, and here I am to share a couple autumn songs with you that you can use. Well, you can sing them anytime, of course, but these are ones that are nice to sing at the beginning of a circle. Um, when I put together my circles for my classes, I liked to have them tell a little story. And it could be like a complicated story, but with lots of twists and turns. But often it would just be a trip to the autumn garden, um, which I will share these two songs about the autumn garden with you in a moment. And we would sing a song to go into the autumn garden, and then I would say something like, well, let's go visit the apple tree. And we would do our apple verses. And then, oh, look, there's Squirrel Nutkin. And do my squirrel verse. And then maybe we would go visit the pumpkin patch. So just really, really simple. But um, I don't know. I liked to do it that way. It made it more cohesive for me and also made it easier for me to remember, which is always a good thing. So, I have these two little songs to welcome autumn with, and the first one I didn't really ever do any gestures with. You can, if you have some that you feel inspired to do, you can, but it actually is okay to just sing a song and enjoy the sound of it. Or you could hold hands and walk in a circle with it. But this one I've always done just sitting down, and this is what it is. Yellow the bracken, golden the sheaves, rosy the apples, crimson the leaves, mists on the hillside, clouds gray and white. Autumn, good morning, summer, good night. So that's that one. That's one of those songs that just really touches my heart. So I hope that you enjoy it. And this other one is one that, again, it doesn't, I never did it with a lot of gestures, but of course you could. This one I would often do holding hands and walking in a circle. And this one has different versions for every season of the year, but since it's autumn, I'm going to share the autumn one with you. I rewrote it because um, I don't remember exactly what the words were, but I just didn't like them that much, so I changed them, and you can feel free to do that too. I can share the original words with you down in the comments. But this one goes like this. In the autumn garden where we singing go, golden leaves are falling, falling to the earth below. And that's it. So, yeah, check. I've been sharing various fall things. Last week were a couple of squirrel songs, and if you want some more apple songs, I will share the link in the comments below for my free fall sampler from my do-it-yourself parent-child class. And please let me know if you have any questions or if you write your own words to the songs. I'd love to hear what they are. And I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you again next time. So long.